Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the new Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. So if you guys want to see how to get this look and if you want to hear my thoughts on this liner, make sure you keep on watching. So there are various elephants in the room that need to be addressed. I'll start off with the most obvious one, which is my hair. I did lighten it and it's also a lot shorter, as you can see. It did get some damage, but you know what? It's okay. We're going to nourish these curls back to health. I'm actually trying out some new products and I finger coiled my entire head. So that is how I got these curls. I know they look a lot looser. My natural curls are a little tighter. But you know, with chemical damage, I want to use that loosely because even though my hair isn't perfectly healthy, I wouldn't say it's like damaged, you know? But yeah, with like chemical damage and stuff like that, curls do loosen up. But I think it's looking pretty good. What do you guys think? Don't roast me if you don't like it. If you're not nice to say, keep it to yourself. So the other elephant that needs to be addressed, where I've been, honestly, I was sick, you guys. Like, I was so upset because I wanted to do a really special birthday video. I just turned 23 on the 17th of September, and I wanted to do a really nice birthday video. But I was sick, so I couldn't film. And then after that, like, I don't know what happened. Like, I wasn't feeling like myself. I'm still really not feeling like myself, but the show must go on, so gotta get it together. So today I have for you guys a eyeliner review slash tutorial. The way I do my eyeliner isn't really special. I don't have a specific technique. I just always start with the wing. I know, like, some people start with the lid. Sometimes people do the outline of the wing but then don't fill it up until the very end. There's like a whole bunch of different ways to do your eyeliner, but today I'm going to show you guys how I usually do it. Again, it comes out different every time, but for the most part I start off the same. And for this tutorial, we're actually going to be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner, which, well, it's still fairly new. What did it come out? It came out like, what, 1 or 2 months ago? Honestly, I don't even know, because I bought it and then I used it once and never used it again because I just wasn't motivated. So I'm gonna read you guys some of the claims for this eyeliner. It is water resistant. That's a lie. I can tell you that much. Highly pigmented, true black, matte liquid liner, and it's supposed to be long lasting. It does have a felt tip applicator. It does retail for $18. I did get it with my pro discount, and you do get 0.08 ounces of product in here. So I do usually use the NYX matte liquid liner, which is water resistant actually. And that one, I don't know if they changed the formula or what, but I feel like recently it's been cracking on me. I don't know, it didn't used to do that before, but I don't discriminate. For the most part, I usually use liquid liners and gel liners. But yeah, so what I was talking about, how I said that the water resistant claim was a lie, the one time that I did use this, my eye would not stop watering and the eyeliner immediately started dripping down my eye. So it's definitely not water resistant. I did take it off after that, and then I didn't try to redo the wing. So even though that experience was sort of bad, I don't have like a full-blown opinion on this liner. We're gonna see today what happens. This is what it looks like, honestly. This is pretty long, like the NYC liquid liner. Do you guys remember that one? That one, I'm so mad they discontinued that because that was the best eyeliner ever, and it was like less than $3. So I'm gonna show you guys this in action. It's very black. I just did a smiley face. Okay, let's do this liner. I can't believe it's about to be October and we're still in like the 80s. Like, what? I don't usually go for felt tip liners, but let's see. All right, so I am going to start off by just flicking the liner outwards. like that. That's a pretty decent line. I'm gonna go towards the center of this liner and just brush down. I don't know if that made sense, but you guys will see what I'm doing. Oh wow, that dried down really fast and is very, very matte. So that's what I do. And then I just fill it in. And I go to the lid. This liner is super matte. I gotta say that when it dries down, it almost looks a little bit gel-like when you do a gel liner and then you set it with eyeshadow. That's what it looks like. It is scary when you're applying it though, because it's so shiny going on, but it dries down super matte. I do think you can get a pretty precise line with this. Like, you don't get like a wonky or messy line. Guys, always be patient with yourself and don't beat yourself up if the eyeliner doesn't come out identical. It's honestly 9 times out of 10 probably gonna happen. These look different. Do I care? No. And when I put on my eyelashes, you're not even gonna be able to tell. I am going to clean up the wing with some eyeliner, which I always do, no matter the liner I'm using. Also, do you guys have a... Just got a bunch of concealer on my shirt. Great, fantastic, outstanding. Do you guys have an eye that always comes out better? Because like for eyeliner, my right eye always comes out better. I don't know if it's because I'm a righty. So I'm just applying a light amount towards the wing. She's sharp. So after cleaning both of them up, they look pretty good. Almost the same, not quite. Eyeliner, think of eyeliner as like your eyebrows. They're sisters, not twins. Or what is it? They're cousins? No, it's sisters, not twins, right? Y'all get what I'm saying, regardless. Now we are gonna be moving into foundation. For foundation, we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 355N. I'm trying out a sample today of the Becca Backlight Primer or something like that. It's like, it comes in the purple tube. And wow, it's really nice. It definitely gave me, like, I feel like an even more flawless finish. For concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shade Tape in the shade Medium. It's looking crusty, but I did get a new one during the September 21 Days of Beauty sale. I think that's what it's called. On the very last day, they had all the shade tapes for 50% off if you were a platinum or a diamond member. So that was awesome. Were you guys able to get your hands on any of them? On any of the deals actually, because they were all pretty good. So while I'm currently baking my under eyes with the Huda Beauty Pound Cake Setting Powder, I am going to set the rest of my face with the Laura Mercier Translucent Glow Powder. Guys, I was so upset. I ran out of my matte, regular, original translucent Laura Mercier, and I'm sad. So I contoured my nose off camera, and it's time to go back to the liner. Guys, I promise you there's gonna be so many people that are gonna tell you if you have hooded eyes like me that you cannot do thick liner, that it doesn't look good. Who cares what those people think? Do what you like. But right now what we're gonna do is like the inner corners of the liner. I'm gonna try to do like some Cleopatra looking thing. I don't even know what this is called. I usually do this with gel liner, to be honest, but today we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liner since we are testing it out, which by the way, so far I'm really liking it. What do you guys think? So what we're going to be doing is sort of like a triangle on the inner corners of our eyes. So this top liner, what we're going to do is we're going to bring it a little bit lower. I'm going to try to get as much of this on camera, but this is pretty hard because you got to get in there. So I made a little line. I'm nervous. Now we're gonna do another line underneath. I'm not good at explaining these kinds of things, you guys. There you go. That was it. It looks easy, but it's honestly not that easy. I mean, you don't have to include this part. I just wanted to show you guys. I would definitely say if you do think this is cute, just continue practicing and practicing, and don't beat yourself up if you don't get it right the first time, because it could be better. I mean, it's nice, but it could be better. So this is what we're looking like. Now we're gonna contour. I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette, and I'm gonna be using the 2 darkest shades. We're looking very cat-like. So for bronzer, I'm using my NYX Medium Matte Bronzer, and this is the shade Medium. I'm hitting pan. I don't know. I mean, I use this a lot, but I feel like this runs out pretty quick. Oh, you do get 0.33 ounces in here. That's pretty standard for a powder. Maybe I do just use too much. So for blush and highlighter, I'm going to be going into the Tarte Pro Glowing Blush Palette. And for blush, I'm going to be using this shade. And then for highlighter, this shade. Guys, I know I look a little weird. It's because I have no lashes on. But once we put on lashes, everything's going to come together. Alright guys, I'm back. I did finish the rest of my makeup off camera. I am wearing the Isla Cosmetics lashes in the style Diosa, and these lashes are incredible. I feel like I say this about every lash style that I try from them, but it's true. Every single style they have is incredible. And I've got some really good news. If you guys want to save some coins, just use my code Vanessa at checkout. I will link their website down below so you guys can check all their different styles. But trust me, these are the Isla Cosmetics lashes are the only ones I've been using lately. I love them so much. And on my lips, if you want the perfect fall lipstick, this is the lipstick in the shade Brandy by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It sort of looks like the lipstick my girl's wearing in the back, but not really. It's much deeper. It's like a little deeper than my shirt. I'm matching, you know. But yeah, let's finish off talking about this liner so I can give you guys my final thoughts. To be completely honest, you guys, I love how matte and black this eyeliner is, but it's just not water resistant, and that's completely necessary for me for the eyeliner to be waterproof, because I have very watery eyes and it's gonna be a mess. Like right now it looks fine, you guys can't tell on camera, but my little Cleopatra thing that I did right here smudged a little bit on my under eye because my eye kept watering, and I sprayed my face with Fix Plus, and that's just not ideal. So if you have watery eyes, I would definitely recommend you stay away from this liner, which is unfortunate because this liner actually looks very, very nice and it's very easy to use. I'm sad, y'all. Like, I love my NYX matte liner and it's much cheaper, but it's not as matte and black. I hate a shiny ass liner. Like, I'm not about that life. I mean, that's not to say that the next one is shiny, the matte one. It's matte, it's just not as matte. I would definitely say try it out for yourself, but if you have watery eyes, I don't recommend it, because even though it's so nice, so matte, so black, once your eyes start watering, it's game over, and it don't even matter how matte or black the eyeliner is because it's dripping on your face. But yeah, that is it for this little review slash tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please continue tuning into my channel. Leave me video recommendations down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.